In this video, we're going to talk about how to enter more details to a transaction. As you've seen, you can enter things simply just by entering the amount. And so you know you have $100 for garbage collection in November. But you can get way more detail than that with your transactions if you need to. You can click this open. And there's all kinds of things you can do. Like, for instance, you can tie this particular garbage collection expense to a particular vendor. So that means that money is owed to the vendor. And if you're paying that vendor directly right then and there, you can check mark this to say, hey, this vendor's been paid. You can add details like notes. So for instance, you can write a note, this is for November payment or whatever you want. You can say how you paid it, check or cash, what was the check number if you want. And again, as I show you, you could say, is this going to be an expense owed by the tenant or it's charged to the property owner? Which vendor is it mapped to, and has it been paid? Similarly, you can do similar things to the expense side of things. So we've got $1,000 collected from John Jones, but if I open this up, I can get way more detail. I can add details like, again, the notes, how the money came in, what was the check number if I want. You can also say which bank account is this money supposed to be deposited into. Okay, so all those things are available to you. Also, for both income and expenses, you'll notice this icon here that lets you scan in relevant documents. So if you want to scan in the actual check that you received from John Jones, or in the garbage collection case, if you want to scan in the invoice, you can scan it in so it's right here by the transaction, so you can find it anytime you need.